And that's because many people who live in this apartment complex came home from work tonight to find all of this water right up to their doorsteps and their carports submerged. Thankfully, neighbors are flooding each other with kindness. Jacob and Tatiani Cerns aren't taking any chances.
Headed to a friend's house.
After hearing Puyallup police issued them a go now evacuation notice.
It's crazy to see all the help. Like everybody's just coming together, trying their best to do whatever they can for others.
Somebody was evacuating out of mine.
Everybody, including Travis Jones.
Travis actually gave you a ride.
Yep.
Here. And that was so nice. I never met him before, but
don't have much time to react.
He's their neighbor who serves in the Army at JBLM.
It's never happened to me, and it's a little confusing.
His apartment is on the first floor with a view of the Puyallup River.
The river is probably 50 meters out.
That's a typical day.
But right now, it's in my backyard, up against the door.
But today's anything but typical.
Which is insane. It's also out front, so it's working its way around the building. Where are you going?
Just ask his cats.
It's only about toe height. It was. And now the floor's all bulged up there. That's from all the water.
Luckily, he's got a shop vac and sandbags. For those who don't, he's helping out.
I've told everybody I've met, like, if you need help, I've been working really late, but I'll go to Home Depot. I'll get you sandbags.
A little assistance from friends is inspiring others to pay it forward.
he raced here and started helping me get everything up to higher ground from the garage because we knew that's where it would hit first.
Autumn and Tim Gordon spent the evening in the rain offering help to their neighbors.
So it's the least we can do when it starts to recede from our property is to help anybody else if possible.
And just minutes down the road from here, Puyallup police are also advising people living in the Riverside Park apartments and River Trail apartments to be prepared to evacuate if necessary. Reporting in Puyallup, I'm Maddie White, King 5 News.